The same people, regrouping again. Nigeria might be the only marketplace where old stock are sold as new arrivals. And people clap and buy with excitement. Back in 2015, APC repackaged old products and made them look brand new. Promises recycled, slogans rewritten, campaigns polished. And we bought it with excitement because we thought we needed change. Years later, we've discovered something important. The packaging was new, but the products were the same. The consequences have been very fatal. If 2015 taught us anything, it's that packaging can lie, but delivery never does. New posters, new adverts, new ears, and new smiles don't mean new policies. Now, here comes 2027. They're regrouping again. Fresh alliances, fresh branding, new group names, new logos. New slogans, new photos, new outfits, new smiles, and of course, repackaged promises. All designed to make us think they are reforms. But zoom in a little, and it's the same factory, same management, same formula. Only the packaging has changed. Or should we finally be done with political rebranding? Because new group names, new posters, and same candidates don't mean new policies. Remember, choosing isn't the problem, but the consequences are.
Thanks for watching. Nigeria belongs to all of us, so share your opinion in the comments.